Temptations seasonal figural tray, the bunny and the app bowl. These are so cute.
Are they cute? And special edition, which means we won't do it again.
Okay.
Right? This is kind of like an honorary one and done, we like to call it. So you're getting the bunny-shaped app plate, and then I did the little tail, or the little 6-ounce ramekin, as the bunny tail. So if you're using this as a chip and dip, look how cute that is. And then, of course, you can use these together, or you can use them separate, but they're all individually hand-painted front and back, which is awesome. And you have the little cotton tail, which is actually the little ramekin.
Easter is April 9th.
Yes.
So spring is March 20th. This is when we stock up. It's the first day at the lower price. That's why we're kicking it off with a bang.
Amazing.
Clearance price is $24.96. We only have about 1,500 to go around.
That's it.
I want to grab another egg hunt
Yeah,
piece.
you do that.
You
and
show.
I'll
do that.
So here's one of the things I love, charcuterie boards, right? I love being able to, because you have that nice center, you're able to have 3 different sections. So here we did our meat and our cheese. We put a little dipping sauce in the little ramekin, and then we put our little crackers in there. If it's desserts that you, I love this. Coming up in the show.
Okay, excuse me. Please
Coming
continue.
up in the show, love that. But I also love the fact that this now becomes your serving platter. If you wanted to put roasted vegetables on it, these all go in the oven up to 500 degrees. So you literally can broil right under here. So this just becomes that super cute serving tray that you're gonna, oh, hello, who's that? Who's that? These are the mini bakers that are coming up, so you can start to see how this collection really can create a beautiful spring table, even if it's not just an Easter table. So keep that in mind also. And then I love the fact that instead of getting out that metal cookie sheet and baking your apps, you can do it right here. Look how sweet this is. We did a little shrimp tempura where we have our little dipping sauce here. So I love that idea, hot or cold. Everything you love from Temptations, just so stinking cute. And we won't do it again.
Well, and apps, desserts. I mean, I love that. We love charcutes. It's the cutest of charcutes.
I have borrowed your charcutes.
I can't
more than you want to know.
I can't.
You might want to trademark it.
I just know.
I've stolen it.
The cute little bunny tail accessible.
Adorable.
Okay, as we wrap up, $24.96. We only have about 1,300 left to go around. And remember, when it sells out, it is gone. You want to talk squoval?
Are you kidding?
What is a squoval?
I am so
Tara
excited.
Tesher.
A squoval is where you meet a rectangle and an oval and a round